Welcome to Lesson 15, Warren Buffett. Find mentors whom you can emulate. Let's jump right in. There are opportunities you're failing to act upon. Using those opportunities is pivotal to your success. That's the primary message of the previous lesson. Today's lesson moves you forward to finding mentors to help you succeed. Warren Buffett has amassed one of the largest fortunes the world has ever seen. He attributes the use of a mentor to much of that success. You can find a mentor to help you too. Warren Buffett said, "It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction." A successful American businessman and fearless inventor, Warren Buffett has identified one of the most important tips of being successful: seek mentors. Buffett's quote emphasizes that a person must reach out to those who know more in order to be successful. Selecting successful people to fraternize with provides you with wonderful role models, free education, and information about how those people excel. As you spend more time with them, you'll tend to copy their behaviors, become more motivated, and achieve your own success. Known for his common sense approach to investing and managing money, Buffett has applied the same mantra when finding mentors to emulate. How to apply Warren Buffett's tip to your life. Spending time with people who have more knowledge, business savvy, expertise, and even creativity can rub off on you. When you choose to spend time with people you want to be like, you're provided with a treasure trove of information about how those peers work and achieve their goals. Hanging out with them presents the wonderful advantage to you of being exposed to information that will help you reach your goals. To be inspired, hang out with the best. Seek and find at least one mentor who's doing what you want to do. Soak up all the information they offer. Listen well. Observe how they approach work and life. Then, try to apply what you see and learn in your own life. If you want to be more successful, surround yourself with successful people whom you can learn from and model after. You'll be compelled to be successful just like them. Next up is Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan has always been known for smashing through any obstacles that stands in his way. The next lesson has the details. But first, here's what you need to do today. Choose one goal you'd like to work on and find an appropriate mentor. Approach that person and ask them to mentor you. Keep going until you find a mentor you respect and trust that's willing to work with you. That's it for today. See you next time.